Alright, shop timers, it's been a little while since we had an update. So here we've been adding a little bit of Bondo to try to fill in the pitting on this hood for the Cletrac. There's some small dents we tried to fill in too. In the shop it's just been a lot of repetition, nothing really worth the videoing. Hopefully we get some new content coming in pretty soon. I think I'm going to try primering this to see how it looks. Give me an idea how much more needs filled. So let me do that and I'll bring you back for a quick look at that. Alright guys, we got a little bit of primer on there. Yeah, it turned out pretty much how I expected it to. We got some imperfections in there yet. Have to sand this down a little bit and we'll see where it needs more filler. I got some filler primer over there we could finish it off with. And we got some glazing putty we can go over the end of the bad spots with. Yeah. I'm no body guy, that's for sure. But nobody's going to do this for free for me, so I'll just do the best I can. Alright guys, until I got more content, we'll see you soon. Alright shop timers, we're back at the lathe tonight. Just fiddling around. I was thinking about making a pulley. This would be a crank pulley for the Cletrac. And I think what we're going to do is go in here and kind of indent the front end here of it. We're going to move in a little. Reach back here and lock the carriage, make sure she don't move on us. And then engage our feed. Yeah, I don't know if we'll keep this or just kind of playing around to see if this idea even works. We'll see what happens. Roughing the idea out. Making some little chips in there. Alrighty, we'll check that. Now this mess here is the original, or at least somebody's original. I don't know. She's pretty crusty. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's broke through right there. Somebody's welded this weird adapter on the front for a front crank or front pump pulley. Whatever I'm trying to say. So, I don't know, we could probably reuse this, but if my other idea over here succeeds, we'll go with it. It's all experimental. It's all for fun and play. I'll make some more cuts. See you after a while. Guys, we're back. This would probably be the last pass, about 3/16 deep. Just enough to give it some profile, little shape to it. Style points, I guess, as Tom Lipton would say. Be a little bit of cleanup to it. It's looking pretty good for just something screwing around in the shop, wasting some time. Alright, there's that cut, guys. Well, I'll bring you back another time. We'll check her out. We'll get some more progress. Guys, it's a couple days later, and evidently Mr. Bozo came and forgot to shoot a couple of the little pieces that we done, but we're back and we're facing off a slug here to get welded into the pulley. Not much needed here, we're just cleaning it up a little. There it is. Alright, now I'm going to come in here, put a nice chamfer on it to help the weld. That ought to be more than enough. We'll get some good penetration. Alright guys, we got our welded on there. 7018 rod. About 140 amps. Tried to put enough on there. We got some to clean up with the lathe. Alright. Alright guys, we got her in the lathe. Get that big old gnarly weld on there. Let's see if we can clean it up and make it look good. Bring this in here. Yeah. Alright, it turns out running a lathe one-handed is pretty tricky. Alright, let's try making a cut across there and see what happens. See if it cleans it up at all. Well, it's cutting. Steady as she goes. Alrighty guys, I'll keep making passes, bring it back if it ever cleans up. Alrighty, till then. Wow, she's starting to clean up now, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's going to turn out real nice for us. Alrighty. Cleaned up pretty good. Alright. A couple more cleanup passes. And we'll be ready to cut the groove in the OD. Alright. Now we made a pass across the front. Cleaned it up a little bit. It'll be time to lay out the groove for the belt now. It's getting kind of late. Probably be the end of shop time for this week. We'll keep checking back and see what we get done. Till the next time, keep shop timing it.